In this video, we want to look at space sciences. Learning outcome. At the end of this class, at the end of this video, you will learn the following: space sciences, interdisciplinary field in space sciences, branches of space sciences, importance of space sciences, and challenges in space exploration. Let's look at space sciences. What is it all about? Space science comprises of all studies and interdiscipline that involve space exploration and the study of natural phenomena and physical bodies occurring in outer space. It is the study and research of issues specifically related to space flight, space travel, and space exploration. The field in space sciences, let's look at them. They include galactic and extragalactic astronomy, planetary science and physical cosmology, astrobiology, astrochemistry, astrophysics, space plasma physics, orbital mechanics and astrodynamic, atmospheric and environmental science, satellite and space communication, space system, space environment, and space medicine. These are all the field of study in space sciences. We have two branches of space sciences. We have the astronomy and the astronautics. Let's look at each of them. Astronomy is the scientific study of celestial objects such as the star, planet, comet, and galaxy, and the phenomena that originate outside the Earth's atmosphere. It is also the study of everything in the universe beyond the planet Earth. Those that study astronomy, they are called astronomers. Astronomers, they are scientists whose area of research is astronomy. And we have three branches of astronomy. We have the astrology, astrometric, and astrophysics. Let's look at the second branch of space science, the astronautics. Astronautics is the science and engineering of spacefaring and space flight. It includes space aeroengineering, aeronautic, space flight, human space flight, space station, and many others. Those that go into space specialize in astronautics. They are called astronauts. So an astronaut is the member of a crew of a spaceship or other spacecraft that travel beyond Earth's atmosphere, or those that are trained to serve that purpose. And a spacecraft is a vehicle that travels through space. Having known the branches of space sciences, let's look at the importance of space sciences. Space science is very important because it drives innovation and leads to progress and economic development. It inspired future generation of scientists and engineers. It drives global information exchange and communication. It makes us look outward from our planet to the stars and beyond. It leads to scientific advancement, technological innovation, economic benefit, global cooperation and diplomacy, inspiration and education, planetary defense, space colonization and human settlement, and also environmental awareness. So space sciences is very, very important. Let's look at the challenges in space exploration. Some of the challenges include the high cost and difficulties of launching and operating spacecraft. It's very, very difficult to construct, to develop, and also the launching too is very expensive. Also, the harsh and hazardous environment in space. In space, radiation from the sun, coronal mass ejection, solar wind. Space environment is really hazardous. So it's another challenges in space exploration. The physiology and psychological effect in living in a microwave environment is another challenges. Then the limited resources and infrastructure available in space. Resources such as food, such as water, infrastructure, all these are limitations in space exploration. Also, the potential for collision and accident in space by astronauts and even satellite and other available devices in space is another challenges in space exploration. This is a space environment where there are so many debris, as we can see. This is a space environment. So this makes the environment to be hazardous, as we can see. These are debris. In one of our videos, we are looking at debris, space debris. To discuss more about debris, space debris, and the challenges. So looking at space environment and the space debris is another challenges, making space environment to be hazardous. And all these are limitations in space exploration. So space sciences is very important. It has helped us. However, there are challenges involved in space exploration. Thank you very much for listening. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Like and share this video. Bye for now.